Hey guys, AJ with Relentless Racing. Welcome back to the channel. Does your MR2 clunk like this? Anytime you're chasing a noise in a car, it can be challenging. So what I did was I looked at all the different items that were in the suspension that actually move. So the front strut, the lower ball joint, the lower control arm, the knuckle, the outer tie rod, the sway bar, and the sway bar end links. In the end, it was the front strut for me. So I made this video for you guys, just in case you're having a clunky noise, and hopefully this thing will help you out. Enjoy the video.